Okay, today I'm going to take out both of my laser nuts for a quick little bash around. I think first I'll be with the 3S and then the 4S. Enjoy the ride. Whoa! You guys see that? Okay, there's my two laser nuts. This one here that I just ran, it's a 3S setup with just a 3S gear in it and pretty much totally stock. The only thing is this new steering rack on this one, servo stock. This one is 4S. I've got the 4S gear in it. I did a few little upgrades on this one. Just showing you the bike lights, how cool they are. I mean, you couldn't miss that thing coming down the road. But these are totally just detachable. They're just held on with a little rubber band. No big deal. And then, of course, the front. That baby, man, it looks nice. This one I run smaller tires on it because I'm running 4S, and that one I just run the stock tires on it. Pretty much, I haven't had any trouble with either one of them. I guess I should get this one out and run it around a little bit on 4S and then finish out the video. Hope you guys enjoy. got some pretty good range to it, that's for sure. Front headlights are holding up real well on rollovers. I really don't want to destroy this car too much yet, but I'll get it out bashing more later. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you like my stuff. You guys take care.